Hello, today I'm going to have a look at this LED shower head. Ultra quiet, no batteries, water flow, power generation, changes colours, pink, purple, orange, yellow, orange, blue, green. There's if I can zoom in, no, it's playing up. But yeah, that's the box. It just screws on like a normal shower head. As it's showing, you can sort of see me there. Hello. It's got a little bit of weight to it, obviously, because all the workings and stuff are in his head. But yeah, there it is. Right, so let's have a look at the LED shower head. So the water pressure is low at the moment, and when I turn it on sort of faster, it lights up. It's just something just to liven up a boring shower. You can, and put your music on in the background and have a bit of a disco. Yeah, there's a LED shower head. Quite nice. And then the water goes sort of less and less. Turn it down. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and goodbye.